everybody, I made this basic restaurant website only by using HTML. First, I would live it and show it that how it looks. I would run it without debugging and okay, I will open the live server. Go live and here the live server will be opened. If you guys don't know how to open this live server, actually, the video is in the description. You guys can check my channel. So this is the website or web page I actually built using only HTML. It's a structural. For example, here the headings, headers, the navigations, and the description. Welcome to Food Corner Mission. Today's food, our checklist, and then timings, and then our terms and conditions here in the footer. And after that, I had added some more web pages to this website, which is about us. In about us, you would see the about section of our restaurant, in which there is the history, and after the history there is also a mission, and also mission there is like our chef's record. You can also go back to the main website using these navigations, but I would just go back from here. And in the services you can find our special services on the website, and this is the web page I designed, in which there are many kinds of like services. If anybody want to um, uh, contact us, then she can contact and avail the services from our website. Just by clicking here, they would see our contact information. Okay, and it's like here mentioned the contact. In the contact, our email, our address, and our social platforms are also mentioned, and some navigations are here also. It's only HTML, no CSS, no JavaScript I added. And in the gallery there are some images. You guys can get this thing just by visiting my GitHub profile, link in the description. And after GitHub, you would go into the repositories, and repositories you would go to HTML Foundations repo, and in the HTML Foundation you guys can check this website, restaurant website, and you guys can easily copy paste all these or download these files. Okay, so it's very simple for you guys. And if you guys want to check that how it is built with the HTML, so here is the code. I would show you the code actually. So first of all, I would show the index, which is the main part of our like website. This is the index actually, and in the index I added the code. I would show you guys within 2 minutes. Okay, so this is like the heading and etc etc. This is like this thing, today's food, and these are the like all the list. And then a table is added, which is like the day, timing, etc etc. This is the table, and at the end this is a footer in which I write these things. Okay, and after this you guys can check the contact code is here, and I would go to the contact section, and in the contact you guys can check. This is the heading, you can contact, and then contact and reserve. This is the H2 actually, and this is the description paragraph which I write, and it is going reflecting here. And then our contacts, and here the contacts of email, phone, address, and here it is mentioned. Then our social platforms, which is Instagram is mentioned, and then the navigation bar, which is in the footer actually. Okay, you guys can just get this code only by going to my GitHub profile and forking this or etc etc. Then I would go to gallery, and from within the gallery I just added the heading of our gallery, which you guys can check here. And after that, this is the images, and it's going to reflect here. And after there are four images, and which is 1 2 3 and 4. And at the end there are more things like next is about. And in the about us it is like about us section, which is about food corner. And it is going h2 is here, and then some description, which is like a list, order or unordered list is here. You guys can get this code, and everything is mentioned. Okay, and after the about, what's the next thing? It actually my VS Code. Next thing is services actually, and in the services you guys can check that here these all are mentioned from here okay, and you guys will checking why this is like sliding, and sliding you can add just by mark you thing, okay, mark you tag. And this is how I built the basic website of the restaurant only by using the HTML. So guys, hope so you like my website. It is the website which I built by only using the HTML. Okay guys, you guys can check out my more projects, and it's only by using HTML. And through HTML I built this, and after some time I would add CSS to it and will make it reflects good for everyone. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching and checking out my video.